Today we're going to be showing you how to take the grill out of a 1998 Chevy Z71. First of all, you start with the parking lights. There's 4 screws in each one of them. You need to get them out. We're on this side. Get out. Behind them you got your parking and your turn signal wire. There's a clip right here. Push in, give them a turn and they'll pop right out. Set that aside. Do the same to this side. And then up here on top, you have a 9/32 screw. One here. And one here. And one here. And then you do on the inside of the parking light, there's the parking lot. Those marker lights have to come out. Sure will that get in here. Down below here there's clips. So you have to get to release. Up on the back of it. And there's one here. In the middle. And the grill's out. And that's how you take the grill out of a 98 Chevy. Pretty simple, pretty basic. That's how you do that. Thank you for watching. Think about subscribing.